Hi, welcome to the fifth part of Word Shortcut Keys. In this tutorial, we will be discussing about different shortcut keys with control combination. Let's start with first shortcut. Control plus F1. Show or hide tab ribbon. So here we have so many tabs like File, right? Home, Insert, Draw, Design. So we have so many tabs. For each and every tab, we have a ribbon with options with particular tab. So when I use the shortcut Control F1, what will happen? The ribbon will hide. When I press the same shortcut again, I can see the ribbon. Show or hide of ribbon will be done by using the shortcut Control F1, right? Moving to the next shortcut, Control F2. We know that we can use different shortcuts for printing. This is also one of the shortcuts, that is Control plus F2. When you use the shortcut Control F2, you can see print dialog box. Now we know that Control plus F4, Alt F4, these are different shortcuts for closing the window, right? So I don't want to use this shortcut directly so that the window will get closed. Now Control plus F6. Now we have only one Word document. If I open another, what Control plus F6 will do? Move from one Word window to another Word window if one more is open. So this is document 2. Now I am clicking on Control plus, what is the shortcut? Control plus F6. So when I click on Control F6, what will happen? I am moving on to this file. Now document 1, now document 2. Now again move to the original file. So in this manner, we can move around different documents which are open, okay, by using the shortcut Control F6. Control F10, maximize or restore. So when I use the shortcut, what is happening? Restore, once now it is in restore state. When I press shortcut Control F10 again, it will go to maximize state. In this manner, Control F10. Control F12. Open dialog box will be opened. Okay. Control F12. What will happen here? Open dialog box will open. Now Control 1. We know these shortcuts for line spacing like Control 1, 1 line spacing, Control 2, 2 line spacing. The space between one line of selected text and another line of selected text will be adjusted by using the shortcut Control 1 and Control 2. Okay. Now I am clicking on Control 2. Now 2 line spacing is given. When I click on Control 1, 1 line spacing. These are Control 1, Control 2 shortcuts. Control delete. So if I think about deleting word normally when we use delete key on the keyboard, suppose I placed cursor here. When I click on delete, the character towards the right hand side will get deleted. Okay. When I use backspace, the character to the left hand side will get removed. Okay. Now what I am doing? Now I am thinking about removing the total word to the right hand side. Suppose if I think about removing delete, what I have to do? I have to hold Control and I have to click on delete. What happened? The total word towards the right hand side of cursor, the word to the right hand side of cursor will get deleted by using the shortcut Control delete. If I think about deleting the word to the left hand side of the cursor, Control backspace. Okay. So when I place cursor here, when I use Control delete, what is happening? The word to the right is getting deleted. When I place cursor and when I click on Control backspace, the word to the left is getting deleted. Okay. In this manner, I can use Control Delete and Control Backspace. Now Control Home. So now I want to move to the first line of the document. Okay, first page of the document, first page, first line. Control Home. Now I'm thinking about moving to the last line of the document. Control End. Okay. So Control Home and Control End. To move to the first line in the first page, Control Home. To move to the last line of the last page, Control End. Stop. So I'm holding Control and I'm clicking on page down. What is happening? First line of next page. First line of next page. Page up, previous. Okay, in this manner, I can use Control Page Down and Control Page Up to move to first line up. To move to first line of next page, Control Page Down. To move to first line of previous page, Control Page Up. These are the shortcuts. Control plus bracket close. Okay. Grow font. Control plus opening square bracket. Font size decrease. Grow font and shrink font options by using Control closing bracket and Control square bracket open for shrinking the font. These are the different useful shortcuts with combination of control combination in part 5 of our shortcuts tutorial of MS Word.